Hello guys, I just discovered a money making machine. I call it MMM. I've been making a little amount of money from this coin from about some days ago, about 3 to 4 days ago. I discovered this coin and I've been making money from it little by little. So I decided to show this to you guys so that you can at least make some money while this lasts. But a quick disclaimer though, this is not a financial advice. This is what I discovered that is working and I decided to show it to you guys so that anyone that wishes to follow me can do so. But this is a legitimate way of making money. This is not an MMM. I call it MMM because I said it is money. I said this is not a Ponzi scheme. Sorry, I just named it MMM because I discovered that it is going to pay you as long as you do it the right way. So I've been trading this coin, ETHFI, ETHFI. I've been trading it on spot for some days now and it's working. You can see ETHFI USDT. I'm trading it on bitget exchange. So this coin has been going down and coming up steadily. Look, let me show you the all-time high. It went as high as 1.34 in the middle of the night. 1.34 in the middle of the night. Guys, please follow this meticulously so that you get my message. 1.34, this is the price, and it went as high as 1.34 at 05, that is 5 o'clock this morning. Look at the date so that you know what I'm saying is for today. Look at the date too. Look at the time and date. Look at the time and date. So it did this 5 o'clock early this morning and it has gone down as low as it has gone down. This is how you check the highest, the all-time high. You can see these sides are the highest side, are the sides for the highest. I'm making this video like I'm making it for newbie in crypto. So if you're not familiar with spot trading, I'll quickly show you the way around it. But first thing first, let's get the message. This is, and presently the coin is 1.309. 1.309, that is the current price. So guys, this is what I've been doing since some days ago. You can see, check this side now. I've programmed my bitget to buy for me at 1.295. I've programmed it to buy for me. So once this price goes as low as 1.295, it is going to buy for me. So after buying, I will come back. After buying, my bitget will notify me, give me a notification that one transaction has happened in my exchange. So I'll go back to my wallet and program it to sell for me at 1.34. And by doing so, guys, I'm telling you that I would have made like $4. And within 1 hour to 2 hours, these things happens. The price will go as low as 1.3 and go as high as 1.34 within 2 hours. Though it goes down sometimes below 1.2. No, it goes below 1.29. Like yesterday now, it was at 1.22 and my money went down. But I was patient. I just left it. So this is the key things you have to know about this. You have to be patient and you shouldn't FOMO. Fear of missing out. You shouldn't fear. This coin is performing wonderfully well. So going back to how you can trade, if you don't know how to trade on sports, I've explained a little bit about that. But first thing you have to do is to go and fund your wallet. So now to fund your wallet, you go to your assets. When you log into your bitget wallet, bitget exchange, then you come to assets. You come to assets. Now I want to show you how to fund. You come to assets. Assets is on this side. Then you tap asset. After tapping asset, then you tap add funds. After tapping add fund, then you tap deposit crypto. So after tapping depositing crypto, then you pick USDT because you are funding your wallet with USDT. So after funding, you ask your merchant which network are you to pick. The person that is sending to you, you have to pay somebody to send you USDT. So you ask them which network do you pick. So if the person tells you you should pick BEP20, then you pick it and you copy the address. This is the address you are going to send to that merchant who is sending you USDT, who you are buying your USDT from. So after funding your wallet, after sending it to that merchant, they will send you USDT. And after then, you'll be having USDT in your wallet like this. You'll be having it in your wallet like this. You'll be having USDT like this. You can see I'm having 137 USDT. So after having USDT, then you come to this trade. You come to this trade part. This trade part here. You come here. You tap it. Then after tapping it, then you come. Please follow this meticulously so that you get it, so that you won't make any mistake. Then you come to this part. You tap it. After tapping it, then you search for ETHFI. ETHFI, then you pick it. So after picking that, you are having USDT in your wallet already. Then you come here. If you see this video today, just do as I say. Otherwise, you make sure you check the price. If it is after today, maybe tomorrow, you check the price yourself. Go and check the highest time within 5 hours. Then go and check the lowest time so you know when to buy. So you program your bitget to buy for you at the lowest price that you discover at that time. But as of today, you can still buy as low as 1.2950. You put 1.2950. So you come to this buy because you are buying. The first thing you have to do is to buy that coin. You come to buy. You make sure you tap buy. You tap buy. Then you make sure this is on limit. This part should be on limit. So you tap it to change to pick limit. So after picking limit, then you put the price of which you want to buy your coin. And I said it is 1.2950. 1.2950 is good. So it can go as low, it can go lower than that, but that price is still good for you today. So even if it goes beyond that, even if it goes below that, rather, once it has bought for you, just be patient. It will still come back and go as high as 1.34. And if it doesn't go to 1.34, it will go to 1.33 or 1.32. Then you are good to sell. And by that, you would have made your profit. So 2950 is the price I said you should buy. Then after inputting the price, look at this cursor. You pull it to the extreme. You pull this cursor to the extreme, because you want to use all the USDT you are having. So after pulling it to the extreme, you simply tap buy ETHFI. You tap this. Then after tapping this, you have this. After tapping that, then it will show you this. That is, you've programmed your bitget to buy for you at 1.2950. After tapping that, like I said, you see this at the downside of the exchange. Then you are good to go. So after programming this, you can close your phone. If your bitget won't alert you, just keep checking. Maybe 30 minutes time. In 30 minutes time, come back and check. If it doesn't sell, check back in 1 hour's time. Just keep checking. So once it has bought for you, then the next thing for you is to program it to sell for you. You make sure you tap sell here. You put it on sell. Then you don't have to touch this again. Just leave it as limit. You don't have to touch it. So after it has bought for you, like I said, you make sure this is on sale. Then you pull this to the extreme. You can see you pull it to the extreme because you are selling everything. Then you put the price here. You put the price here. You put the price here. You are selling, maybe If you don't want to be too much in a rush, you can sell at 1.32, and if you want to be patient, you can sell at 1.33. And like I said, today it has gone as high as 1.34, so you can put 1.3400 for it to sell for you. Then you tap sell, then you tap sell ETHFI. This place, you tap sell. After tapping sell, it will indicate here that you are having a sell order, and that's all. So this is basically the way to buy and sell this coin. But guys, don't sleep on this. You can make a little amount of money buying and selling this. Just make sure you fund it with a reasonable amount of money. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. If you've not joined this channel, guys, you are not doing yourself any good, because you'll be missing out on informations like this, and I drop useful tips and informations on this channel. So guys, endeavor to subscribe now, turn on the notification bell so that you receive notification whenever I drop useful informations like this. And guys, always remember to comment and like videos. I'll see you in my next video.